Denise. Denise, wake up. Come on, man, wake up. Already a whole week sleeping. Okay, you know what? The protein shake is finished. Protein shake is finished! Benicio, calm down, man. Look.
What is it?
Every single day, you were skipping our cleaning schedule.
And it's okay.
It's okay. You know, Elias and I, we were thinking about maybe we have to kick you out.
Really?
Yeah.
No, please, man. I will change.
Hey, welcome to our Syndrome Lab. So, today, you know, cleaning is one of the things in our daily life, right? So, today we are going to study some vocabulary about cleaning. Syndrome Denise.
And let's begin. Our first step is
the toilet.
I'm ready. What, man?
Air freshener.
Air freshener.
So, you will hear many times the noun brush. B-R-U-S-H, right? Actually, it has a lot of meanings. If I want to be more specific, I can say toothbrush, right? This is a toothbrush, as right now Denise will show how to use.
Brush.
No. That's just brush with toothbrush together with toothpaste.
It's brush. It's toothbrush. Yeah.
Yes. So, as you can see, a cleanser, it's a product that helps you to clean better.
Cleanser.
If you want to say more in general way, we can just say cleaning products.
Cleaning products.
That's the plural, right? And together with the rag, let's clean our toilet. Use that rag, use that rag, use that cleanser, use that cleanser. Clean, clean, clean. Clean. So let's clean the floor. With what? I have here my dear friend, the broom.
This is broom.
And we have here his little brother, the picker. Be careful.
Be careful.
Be careful! He is sweeping.
I am sweeping.
So, after sweeping the floor, we have to mop it. With what? With the mop. So now Denicio, he's going to mop.
I'm going to mop.
Vacuum cleaner. Denicio, what are you doing?
I'm doing my task.
You're doing your task. Turn around.
Why?
Turn around. You know, maybe you were right. Maybe you checked something.
심정.
Now keep going. So now here in Ukraine, as you can see, there is a lot of snow. So we need our friend, the snow shovel. Snow shovel.
It's snow shovel.
Let's get to work.
Okay, mission complete. Спасибо, что были с нами. Сегодня мы выучили новые слова с уборкой. Теперь можно убираться с удовольствием. И с вами был sjlabteam, Хидета. И до встречи в следующем видео. Шинджу!